So this is called the Skywall Auto that's on the truck. Basically, it is a system that can take down drones. It can be deployed in under 15 seconds with the push of 2 buttons. So you literally push the first button, it opens up the system, and second button brings it up on its hydraulics ready for it to be deployed. What does it do then? So it automatically tracks any drones that's in the sky. It can tell the difference between birds and drones. If it's a bird, it'll just disregard it. If it is an actual drone in the sky, it will track, it will lock on, and it'll fire its projectile. It'll fire its projectile and take down the drone, wrapping its net around it and bringing it safely to the ground using the parachute. From there, then we can extract any relevant intelligence information that we need to receive from that. We'll move on then to the Skywall Patrol. That is used as a shoulder-mounted element, so it goes on your shoulder. It has one projectile that goes into the back of it here. Really easy to swap in and out. Has the same aspect. The only difference is it works out to approximately 150 meters, and it does not know the difference between a bird and a drone, although because it's such close range, we can do that ourselves, and it's trigger operated.